What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best JD Sports discount codes in 2024. These discount codes are going to save you £100 off your next order. Alternatively, you can get 50% off as well, and this works worldwide, so you don't have to be in the UK. So it takes a few minutes. You have to use your mobile phone, so I'm going to be recording mine and showing you how to get your JD Sports promo codes. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into how you can get your JD Sports discount codes. You need to use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android. And you've got to open up the internet and go to the following website, www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, guys, this website here. And if you haven't seen this website before, oops, I've just clicked on something. If you haven't seen this website before, I highly recommend you go and check it out. They have so many different pages that can all save you a bunch of money. Now, you basically need to find the JD Sports page. You can scroll down and look for it like I did then, or you can go to the search bar and just type in JD Sports, and you're looking for the JD Sports coupons and deals page. Now, there is a couple of different codes. As I mentioned, you can get a 100 Great British Pounds JD Sports promo code. So this is going to remove the that amount off your order, and it does work worldwide, so that will just be whatever your local currency is. And you can also get 50% off your order. So just click on show coupon for the code that you wish to receive, and you need to unlock your personal JD Sports promo code. Obviously these codes are valuable and they're worth well, quite a bit of money, so this prevents people from stealing codes in bulk. So this limits people to one code per person. So to get your code, you need to tap unlock code. Now, I'm not going to run through the entire process because I don't actually need any more, but you just click this button and you're going to see this pop up. When this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you exactly what steps to take to unlock your code. You need to basically just verify yourself, and it takes a couple of minutes. You need to complete 2 sort of free tasks, and it's going to unlock your code. So once you get your code, you can literally redeem it. So this will be revealed, and you can redeem it in the basket or at checkout. And yeah, that's going to remove the bunch off your order. So go to topdogcodes.com. Any questions, guys, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Smash that like button if you successfully got your JD Sports discount codes, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy.